Khalid Mohammed, orthopaedic surgeon.
I'm Angela Cadogan, physiotherapy specialist.
In this online module, we cover the surgical management and post-operative rehabilitation of the rotator cuff and other subacromial conditions. Mr. Khalid Mohammed covers the different causes of subacromial pain and their clinical presentations. Find out which patients should be referred for imaging and how to interpret the findings in the context of normal age-related changes, and which patients should be referred for orthopaedic evaluation. We also cover the influence of psychosocial factors and patient expectations on treatment outcomes. We then look at the evidence-based post-operative rehabilitation following arthroscopic supraspinatus repair, including biologic healing processes, the evidence for various immobilization protocols, and how to safely and progressively increase load during the various phases of rehabilitation. To sign up or for more information about our courses, head to our website or contact us for more information.